back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kate and today I am doing a glow up with me for fall video. So as you can probably tell, I'm incredibly white and pale right now, so we are trying to correct that. So yeah, I've just been feeling really pale and my skin's been feeling really dry lately. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video because I really wanted to do some fake tan. I want to put on some like nice makeup and just really look good and feel like confident. I feel like we all need to do that on the occasion. So I figured this would be a great time for me to film a video like this. So what I'm going to be doing is I've already, as you can see, got out the shower, I washed my hair, and yeah, I'm going to be applying some fake tan, my favorite from Bondi Sands. It is the Dark Foam Self-Tanning, the self-tanning foam in the shade Dark, and it's my favorite tan of all time, and I've been using this for years and years. So yeah, I'm going to be popping this on, and then tomorrow morning, once I wake up all nice and dark, I'm going to be styling my hair for you guys, and then just doing like some really nice makeup as well, because I feel like lately I haven't been putting the amount of effort in to do like proper makeup. I've just been kind of concealing under my eyes and popping some mascara on, which is totally fine as well, but I kind of just wanted to put in a little more extra effort, so that is what I'm doing with this video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and of course if you have not already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do that right now. Okay, let's get on with the transformation. Everyone, I just washed off my fake tan, so I'm looking nice and brown today. So yeah, loving that. So I'm going to go ahead and curl this hair. I washed it yesterday, and yeah, this is how my hair looks like naturally. It's kind of a little bit wavy. So yeah, I already put some heat protectant in it, so I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair and then curl it for you guys, and then after that we'll get to the makeup section. Okay. So my hair is super curly right now. I like to do this first just so that it has time to drop and look a little bit more like wavy and everything. And then I also, when I curl it, I part it like almost directly in the middle of my hair, when usually my parting's like over here. I do that so I can flip my hair over and it has a bit more body to it, which you guys will see once it's all like cooled down and calm. So yeah, when I do it, I hold it for 10 seconds, that's all. And then I usually just like scrunch it in my hand just to make sure it's like nice and curly. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put it behind my ears so I can do my makeup. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna be going in with is primer. I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is my favorite one. I've been using this for probably like 3, maybe 4 years, just because it's super hydrating, and I have very dry skin, so I find this one works like really well for me. And it's great because now it's winter, well, slash fall, not quite winter, but yeah, it's just gonna make sure that I have a really good like hydrating base. And then for foundation, I'm going to be going in with my Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, a very long name. And I'm in the shade Linen, so that's what it looks like right there. I hope it was focusing. I can't see. So I'm just gonna dot this around my face. Okay, so that should be good. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just kind of dot it around everywhere but underneath my eyes, because I'm gonna go in with concealer over there, so there's no need to double up. And then I usually bring my foundation down on my neck a little bit too, just so everything blends. There we go. So I like to just, sorry if the lighting's bad, I don't have like my ring light in here just because this is my bathroom. And so yeah, as you can see, I just put like a very thin layer on. It kind of just looks like my skin, but a little bit more perfect, because we are going to be adding powder on it, so I don't want to apply too much. So then for concealer, I'm using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. So that's what it looks like. And I'm in the shade Medium. So I like to just put this on a little concealer brush, and I just apply pretty much like a very small dot. And then I just dot this underneath my eye. And as you can see, it's like very light compared to my foundation, but that's just gonna like brighten up my under eyes. And then I usually put a little bit on my nose just to brighten up that, and a little bit on my chin. And then I'm just gonna spread it around before I go in with my beauty blender. And then put a little bit on top of my eyes to act as like a primer for my eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take a small little like eyeshadow brush and go in with my powder. And the powder I use, if I can get it open, there we go, is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation in the color Medium, so that's what it looks like there. And I just go underneath my eyes with this just to make sure that my concealer doesn't crease. And then I go a little bit on top of my eyes to set down that concealer for my eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go in with my big powder brush and just put this all over my face, just to set everything down. So next I'm gonna be going in with my Hoola by Benefit bronzer and just kind of bronzing around my face. I like to do a little 3. So I like to go here. And then underneath my chin just to define it. And then a little bit on my forehead too. Okay, so then after I just kind of use the same brush and I go in with blush, and I'm using the Hourglass Diffused Heat like ambient blush right there. And I just find this one to be like really natural, which is what I like. I don't like it to be too pink, it's more of like a peach. And then of course I'm going to go in with some highlighter. My favorite highlighter is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy powder, just because it's like this champagne kind of color and it's really pretty. There we go, so we're kind of looking a little glowy. I'll show you like a better I'll show you in like the lighting outside so you guys can see what my makeup actually looks like. But I'm gonna go run and grab my eyeshadow palette real quick, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so if you guys have watched me for a while, you'll know that this is probably like my favorite eyeshadow palette, just because it has so many good browns in it, and I feel like you can never go wrong with like a brown eyeshadow look. So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna be going in with just like a fluffy brush and dipping into the color called Peanut Butter, and that's gonna be my transition. So So I'm just kind of placing it in the outer corner and then dragging it inwards and just keeping it in my crease. And I want this look to be like kind of natural, like we're just looking for like, I don't know, like glam, like more glam than definitely I do every day, but not like too out there and crazy. So I think I might just be using like 2, maybe 3 eyeshadows. Okay, and then I'm also gonna put some underneath my lower lash too. And then I'm gonna go in with a more like tapered brush and go into the color Truffled, which is like this darker color right there. And then I'm just gonna keep this more on the outer corner of my eye. And then also bring it in to like halfway in the crease. And then sweep it under here a little bit too. And then I'm just going to be taking a thinner brush and going in with like this cream color right there, and then just putting that above my eyebrow just to highlight it. And then with an even smaller brush, I'm going to go in with my highlighter and highlight my inner corner. And then for brows, I'm going to be doing my Benefit Gimme Brow, and I have the darker shade, which is number 5. And I'm just going to brush through my brows real quick. Just like a kind of natural brow, not too like overly done. So my camera overheated, so I wanted to show you guys what my makeup looks like real quick. I did use some setting spray and I put on mascara, so that's all that I did while you guys were like dead. So this is what it looks like, just like the nice soft like browns. I feel like it really brings out my eyes, so I loved using browns. And yeah, we're just looking kind of glowy and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lipstick. I will sit you guys down here. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Sheer Shimmer X in the color Ex-Girlfriend. It's, if it'll focus, if not, it's fine, but yeah, so this is one of my favorite lipsticks literally ever. It's just like the perfect color, but it's been through like the wars because it's kind of like gross looking now, but it's like one of my perfect colors. So this is the color right here. I just feel like it's a really great like pinky kind of nude color, and it's super hydrating. So I love wearing it in the winter because I feel like if I wear like a super matte lip, it just makes my lips even more dry than they already are. So yeah, it just makes them feel like super moisturized. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair. All I need to do is kind of like flick it around and zhuzh it up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so that's what my hair looks like now. So as you can see, when I flick it over, because of how I curled it with my middle part, it kind of gives it a little bit more body than it had before. And then throughout the day, these curls will drop too. But yeah, I don't know, I just really like it. And yeah, it's definitely like weird having shorter hair. I'm still not completely used to it, but I do like it. It's super easy to manage and super easy to curl. Like to curl my hair usually takes like 5 minutes. It's really, really quick. But yeah, it feels super healthy and I feel like it looks super healthy too. And yeah, so that's everything that I wanted to show you guys. So as you can see, we have this really nice like natural kind of like glow up here. So I just feel like it's such an improvement from what I looked like last night. Last night I was super pale and everything, and yeah, so now I'm nice and tan. I I have this really nice like makeup look, and we have nice bouncy kind of curled hair. So yeah, let me know if you guys decide to do a fall glow up too, and yeah, let me know how you love this video. If you want to see like more videos in terms of like makeup or hair or something like that, let me know. I'd be happy to do them for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.